Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm Cheryl. So by the title of the video, you know I'm going to be reviewing Bright Lights by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I gotta say, I've never tried this brand before, and I saw it in a BoxyCharm pop-up store online and it was really cheap, so I grabbed it and I was happy to try it out. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi, so I purchased this Bright Lights from Pinky Rose Cosmetics through a pop-up that BoxyCharm did recently. I think it was a month ago, I'm not sure. It caught my attention because not only was it really cheap, it was like $7.50 I think. The colors in here are really bright. Let me show you. I mean, look how beautiful those colors are. This green right here, I mainly bought it for that color. So I'm dying to try this out. So let's get started. I know I want to try that green, but I'm gonna combine it with, let's see, with purple. First, I'm gonna use this shade all over my crease and above. Honestly, I've never heard of this brand before. Have you? This is just gonna be my transition color. I'm gonna deepen the crease with this color. There's so many looks you could do with this palette. I mean, you could do a dark look, you can do a neutral look, you could do a sunset look. You have glitters in there. There's so many things you could do with this palette. I really want to try that purple, so this is going straight in the crease, but mainly on the outer corner. And I'm gonna bring this down a little bit right in here and connect it. Purple is more on the pink side. I'm going to take that first brush and just blend those colors together. I gotta say, it's blending pretty nicely. I'm going to place it right next to that purple. Now I'm going to use this green. I'm going to use this color in the inner corner. I'm going to take Boom in the lower lash line. I'm going to blend that color with this one just to soften it right here. Just going to add another highlight from another palette, because this one doesn't have like a really light shade that I want to use in the brow bone. I'm just using this Hard Candy highlighting duo. I'm gonna put on lashes, mascara, eyeliner, lips, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I used MAC lipstick in shade Whirl, and I topped it off with the Lunar Beauty lip gloss in shade Aura. For lashes, I used the Wispies from Ardell. I just trimmed them to do an outer corner lashes. And I used the NYX Professional Eyeliner in shade Azure, which is this one, in the waterline. I love this color, it has a lot of pigment. So this is the final look. What do you think about it? This palette costs only $7.50. What? Like, what? How is that possible? This is really good quality. I mean, I used the green, and look how gorgeous that green is. This is the green that I've been looking for a long time and I can never find. And if I do find it, it has no pigment and it's very light. It turns out more pastel than anything. But this one's green. That gorgeous green you see there. That's the green that I love. What? And then this is the only one that didn't have that much. It was slightly different, the color. As you can see, it looks a little bit like deeper somehow on my eyelids, but it still had pigment and it worked really good. The purple is really easy to work with and is blendable, and it's actually pretty cute, pretty good, because some purples are hard to create and they're patchy or hard to blend or something like that, but this one's really easy to build up and blend. I had no issues with this one. It leans more on the pink purple side, but it's still a beautiful color. I used this one in my lower lash line, had no problems with it. I used these two as a transition color, no problem with those. I used this one in the inner corner and it's gorgeous, by the way. Look at that. You can see it a mile away. I tried 7 colors, and they all worked great. What? How is this so cheap? If you like bright colors, you gotta run and get this, like for real. It's worth the money. Honestly, I love it. I love it, and I know I'm gonna use it more than once, which is a good thing. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. Give the video a thumbs up if you can, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.